In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the RCD Unavailable message on your Toyota Camry. This usually means there's a problem with the radio or CD player system. First, try restarting your car's infotainment system by turning off the engine, waiting a few minutes, then turning it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. If the message remains, check the fuse related to the radio or CD player in the fuse box and replace it if it's blown. Next, inspect the wiring behind the radio for any loose or damaged connections. You may need to remove the dash panel to access it. Sometimes resetting the infotainment system to factory settings helps, but keep in mind this will erase saved presets. If these steps don't fix the issue, the radio or CD player unit might be faulty and require professional repair or replacement. If this video helped you fix the RCD Unavailable message on your Toyota Camry, please like and subscribe for more car tech tips. Thanks for watching.